I was just about to film the set about the video about the Friends bus, and then it turns out I forgot this set. So this is Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. It's a very cool set. First off, I love, of course, the Weasley twins minifigures. Those are really cool. I don't remember too much about the overall part of the films this was in. As you can tell by the amount of Harry Potter stuff I have on this channel, I know the series very, very, very well. Yeah. That is not sarcasm at all. I totally know a lot about the Harry Potter series. I don't even remember what movie or book this was from. Taking a look at the inside, I think it's a pretty cool set overall. I love some of the little products included. I think that's actually my favorite part of this set, is the items in it. I'm not entirely sure I'm gonna get this, though. It's one of those very few Harry Potter sets that actually tickles my fancy, but, like, it still just is. It's not a set for me. It's not made for me, which I understand, but yeah, I think it's okay. It's definitely not as good as the big one in the Diagon Alley, but of course, could it really ever be? I really love the little kind of the person on the front with the hat. Yeah, it's an okay set. But yeah, I think my favorite part of it, ironically, is the little owl, or the printed circular balls. I have no idea what that is on it, but I really love those, and I'm probably going to try to buy a couple of those. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and goodbye.